Time trials at Indianapolis this week will determine starting positions for most of the 33 Memorial Day racers. But right now, the only sure starter is a pearl white Ford Torino convertible, official pace car for the 500-mile Classic. Carefully prepared at Ford's Dearborn, Michigan headquarters, the car received special paint and trim. Then came testing. Dynamometer tuning was the first step. The power plant is Ford's new 428 Cobra jet engine. In this wind tunnel test, the vehicle's aerodynamic characteristics are outlined by colored smoke. A pace car at Indy must perform well at 100 miles an hour for the critical pace lap. Checks of suspension, power, and high-speed handling were conducted at the company's test track. William Clay Ford will lead the pack to the green flag on race day. Speedway unveiling ceremonies introduced the car to officials and newsmen. Defending Indy champion A.J. Foyt was right at home behind the wheel. Two-time Indy winner Roger Ward took his turn in the original as 43 duplicate cars were delivered to officials and race committee members for use during Indianapolis 500 festival activities. An inspection lap by Chief Steward Harlan Pengler opened the track for practice as the countdown began for America's greatest spectacle of speed.